What's up TNS family, welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl Sarah.
What's up?
And today it is Mother's Day. So we are currently here at Mum and Dad and we are going on our very first family shoot. Shout out to Julie who set this up and the girls who helped her. But we are gonna go inside, quickly get Mum and see what the goal is, and then we'll be off to our location. Stay tuned family, and don't forget to give this video a
I like family. I like.
We love you TNS family, let's go.
Family, so we just pulled up to Berwick Botanic Gardens and this place is so nice. This area is like nice as but not as nice as goes here. So let's come out like really nice.
It's come out so long. Like before we had to use like so many bobbing pins, as you guys know, yeah? But this time we just used 2.
Yeah, just try not to get run over at the same time, eh? But yeah, that's Gore's little journey with us here. It's come a long way.
It's growing so fast. Guys, it's our first family shoot. Stay tuned fam. Lenny, come in front of us. And we came to get a snack before our dinner tonight. Mom is actually really tired, so we're just gonna get the pies and then we're gonna head back home because it's about an hour of a drive. But apparently, Julie, come tell us. Like, say,
told me that they have New Zealand pies.
so guys, if the pies isn't good, we're gonna blame Julie and Poti. Okay guys, so we're gonna get a little snack before our dinner tonight. Don't lean on her. So you want some milkshake? You do? Yes. Oh. No, we go into Sera's car. Over here, to Uncle Tuxx.
Listen, tell the camera, what do you have in your hand?
This is milkshake.
Milkshake?
It's called like chocolate.
Chocolate?
They can put the beans in it. It's called like...
Is that right? I said, come this way, please. Come this way.
Subscribe.
Say something to TNS, Mum. Look, open your eyes.
Hi, TNS.
Fair, Mum's not feeling so well. We're gonna drive back now. She really wants to have a rest, but Dad wants her to go home as well. So yeah. Okay guys, so we didn't end up going dinner. We were actually meant to go dinner, but guys, we have the Tawafal family that came over to see Mom. Yeah, so we're just gonna spend some family time. Mom and her sister. Kids are out on the tramp.
Thanks guys for ruining our plan. Every other day he's come today. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. If you can just watch it and tweet it out,
Auntie, tell us a funny story about you and Mum when you were little. What's a funny story of when you were little?
When we little, I said to them, pick it up the rubbish, you know, because they always muck around when we go and pick up all the rubbish.
In Samoa?
And they all run away. And I get the stone and I throw it
Yeah.
She put this on the because she's
Yeah.
and she put me
Too many rubbish.
and then she put Angelina in the other side. There's nothing. And I was crying because Angelina was all the way up and I'm still picking myself.
Oh, Auntie, you're sad.
Because she's the only part of my class.
Auntie, who was the good one out of yous?
Who was the good one in our
Family, the siblings.
You're a liar.
You know why? Because we have a big plantation in Samoa. And then every Saturday, and then she never goes to the plantation.
Where does she go, Mom?
Yeah, just clean the house, pick up all the rubbish.
And then when we go to the plantation, you know my brother passed away. And then he said, yeah, you go that side, start from that side, you go that side. You know what? I go and find a big ass rock. And then I lie down. And they go, I wake up and just picture stuff under the towel. And then my brother said, you are so cute, and then you always behind me because I can't eat tamu.
Mom, Vailo Solo, kama favorite nephew.
Oh, pretty.
What's a song? What's a song? Just dance. I'm literally gonna make him dance for her.
Because I can't.
Lanston.
Just. And then I don't try to let it go.
Come, you want to go? That's it, come. Come, babe. Oh, baby. Girl.
Make sure, take care.
Ay, mo lang at ka na magpiro. Ay, si Mapro, pawayaan.
Terminar, que não foi para amanhã, ela voltou, foi o que lá. Eu sou que lá, quase ele saiu na cabelo. Eu wish essa própria
Go, Auntie Meal. Go. Good boy.
Happy Mother's Day.
Go, my camera's gonna die.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. Oh yes, can you go get my frame on the bottom? Mam, laku au poesi fafia fia oi. Alaku aku chefe fali pulang pia. Tato si ile fa betai mua molevinga ya Yesu lo tato matai. Oh wow ya wa mapuai e maputanga lene wa fai tato fia you Olaina
Wasuyane ole olanga Wasilea faalea ngawa Pia pia Yesu faulatanga Ia patili mama ese emaila usiba
I'm your favorite. Really, how you feel? White